guys, Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing a first time putting on a contact lens. I bought a contact lens from Shopee. So I bought 3 different contact lenses, which are chocolate, sterling gray, and big eyes black color contact lenses. So it cost 133 pesos each, guys. So it's not really expensive. So it's really cheap. And yes, I don't know if it's recommended, but just for trying purposes, so I bought it from Shopee. And in this video, guys, I have a guest. So please help me welcome Miss Cervantes! Okay, so anyway, have you tried wearing a contact lens before?
No.
No, same. So mawala na siya, guys. So this is the contact lens. So let me just open it. So this one, guys, the iShare. The one. So the iShare. So it comes in this cute packaging. So at the back, it says contains 2 soft contact lenses, 60% poly 2 hema and 40% water, and then it's immersed in buffered saline solution. So namuna na siya, guys. So nakabutang po siya ani na box. Tapos it also comes with the kanang contact lens case. Kani siya duha na left and right. I-open sa namo siya tapos i-transfer na mo dire. Sige.
Pero ang brown nga sudlanan, it's different.
Ah, yes, yes. So, ang sa chocolate kay inana iyang sudlanan. Lahi siguro siya. How to wear contact lens. Please wash your hands done. So, kung magbutang mo contact lens, so make sure na clean in yung hands. Don't use alcohol kay it will sting your eyes and it will irritate your eyes. Tapos, please put the lens on the right second finger. Please widely open your eye, pulling eyelid with left. Okay. Are you ready? So if you're ready, guys, just keep on watching. Okay. Okay. So I will be using the black na contact lens, guys. Tapos ikaw kayo unsay mong gamiton?
Blue.
Blue. Blue is not blue. It's sterling gray.
Oh, it's green.
Sige. Ako una. You hold this one. Okay, mauro niya itong sa amin. So sa middle finger daw, guys.
Middle finger.
I know. The second finger. Tapos asa siya? Ali dali butang ang kuan. Here. Ay pag dili ko mag-ana.
Oh.
Ana. Let's see. Wala. Solusyon na yabo. Oh my gosh. Wala na yung solusyon. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko maaga. Nagkarag ko. Ano lang mabigay. Good luck! Sige, go. Kaya ko to! When's how?
One eternity later.
Ay!
Try ko masolve.
Nandara bigay kami sa
Wala siya grado, color lang.
Oo. Uy, I'm kalisod, guys. Uy, ay, mag-adjust sa lansig. Sunod sa kuha, noy. Ana.
Huwag sa diha mo ang gihapon. 30 minutes later.
Uy. Wala nung. No, guys, na resolution. Grabe, na lang siguro una. Go, go, go. Feel ako kung one hand lang, maano siya. Tulisod, uy, wait lang. Bilim na gid ko sa kanang mga kuan, mga kanang dali ra kayo kuan sa ilang contact lens. Na, di good guys. Kako na ba? Mangundang tayo. Wala na. Kasud lagi ko. Sige ka na. Chamba-chamba lang.
Chara di ay.
So, kung ganahan mo magpalit og contact lens, guys, kay magpalit na lang mo sa kanang mga kuan gyud na mga clinic, bitaw eye clinic, kay kung sa Shopee lang, dili pwede na kung pang matagalan gyud siya. So, dapat kuan lang siya kanang pang practice ra bitaw na ilabay din nimo 100 ra bitaw ka pin pod.
Dato, 100 drak ka.
Numero na, compared, ang price ba sa contact lens kay 1,000 ka pin?
Uy, pag sure.
Lagi, contact lens, nakanang kuan.
Wow. Wow.
Kalisod, uy, kalisod ba dahil? Ano, saan man?
Ay, sorry.
Saan man good, uy. Dapat daw is straight.
Saan pag street sa mata? Bahog yung mata.
Lalaguan?
Kasi po ito dito.
Sample naman ng Tagalog dyan.
Hanang Tagalog.
Angle.
Angle?
Google.
Googly. Googly.
Oh, I have third eye. We're back! So, naabutan kami ng maximum limit na 30 minutes.
And
Kaya-
yet, hindi pa namin nagagawa.
Hindi pa namin nagagawa.
So, part 2!
Sige, go. Continue na. Dapat na usa na to ng pasud.
Tubig ang laso. Guys, you go to the tip.
Sige pa, open pa, eyes.
Gamaya.
Dako apa. Sige, na mo to.
Di man tayo hapdos. Uy,
Hindi na bitaw.
kabilog.
Ang kuwan lang, kung imo lang pagsigbinat sa imong mata, no? May stressful kay siya. Kana ka to. Don't.
1 hour later.
Tama nga, di mga butang.
Kalisod ay, pagaglaw na ka.
Sige. Okay ka. Oh my God! Nandiyan
Oh my God! Uy, it feels so good. Ika-blur, walang gasa.
Oh my gosh!
Let's take a suck.
Wait lang!
Yes!
Oh my God! Nagkadungan yung tagon?
Wala mo kag-aswang.
Ha?
So, yun guys!
Oh my God! Nalagay ko siya, guys!
Ako, abay.
So, ito guys, nalagay ko dito yung isa!
Gawin sa to na to.
Ang baga! Nagkadungan rin ta!
Trend ko rin na to speakers. Mundo tag brown to.
Andre, look at my eyes! What can you say?
It looks big.
Hi,
Looks
Andre.
bigger.
Andre, you blow my eye. You blow it.
What did happen to it?
Contact lens. You see?
What I don't. You
It's a
can
contact
still
lens.
see?
Yes.
You can still see?
Yes, I can still see.
Even though if you put two of them?
Yeah.
But does it hurt?
Look at Tati Vance. She looks like a cat.
Yeah, but will it hurt your eyes?
No?
Dako kayo mata, no?
Does it? You cannot do it properly.
Ah!
It's hard, right?
Oh. You look like a silly cat.
Silly cat.
Does it hurt you?
Put it on your...
Yun sa tunamo. Uy!
Oh my God, 30 minutes dapat.
Wala siya doon matabaliskan.
Come on, who's the winner?
Who's the winner?
Kulma ng mata eh.
Dako kayo mata.
Oh no, you're going to blind.
No.
Ay, tanabay.
Ang tinabay.
Nabayili doon.
Balik. Balik.
Wala ay dapat mabutang ko ni.
I really see them.
Mukarina ni Imdan gipinting.
Don't close your eyes. Just leave it open. Careful.
Does it stings?
It stings?
If I
Ah!
pitabisan mo diri oh, sa ubos. Ang
It's okay.
daang kahap ba? Wala siya sa
It's you.
Uy! Alay!
No, touch the hands there. Rain.
Kalisi ko ni di ay. Uy, ganun ko. Dali kayo sila.
Careful, because it might hurt too much. Like it.
Be quiet so they can focus. Try it.
Focus. Need focus there.
Nice!
Ay,
You look like a Ming Ming.
What?
You look like a Ming Ming. Ate Wachi is the winner.
Ha?
Ate
Nabutaw na?
Wachi is the
I look like... Wait. My eyes.
Nabutaw na?
winner.
Oh my God!
Problema ani karon ng tang.
Allah, good luck. Usa ni mo, Wens? Usa ka, Wens?
Ha?
100?
Oo. Lambot yun sa tunako. Rewind again.
Does it hurt?
No.
Yeah, but it's stingy. But it's hard for you, that's why.
Because I don't know how.
Mm.
Handa. Ay! Explain sa dahil Wens nga. Asa siya, Wens?
So, I never thought I'd come this far. Bogo. Nindot ka kung self-pay.
It just hurts a little.
Pero, wait sa kay. Nag-adjust pa.
I'm the loser!
A few moments later.
You can't remove it.
Oh my God!
Nana? Oh!
Success!
1 eternity later.
Grabe, oy, kalisod! Kalisod dahil ani, oy!
Butang tag makeup eh. What?
Oh my God! So, saan mo mga sulti? What
Huwag
can
ko
you say?
makabuhat ko, ani.
Grabe, kalisod eh, ani, oy! As in! So hard! Oh my God!
Tinood tong kuan nga. 1 eternity later, eternity din siya. As in,
So-
pagkadugay.
No! What? Does it look like?
Yeah, it looks like a big cat eyes.
It look like a big eye doll. See?
A big cat, it really has nice
So what
eyes.
can you say, guys?
Mag-makeup sa oy, pag-makeup.
Ayaw. Don't like to wear makeups. Oh my God, puro naong!
But Auntie Wendy looks like a blue cat.
Yeah.
Her eyes.
So, ayun guys. So, after pinaka minutes, 1 hour. I think 1 hour. So, nalagay namin siya. Oh my God. See that?
Will you remove that?
Yeah, that's the problem. How to remove this? Another 1 hour to remove this?
Yeah, but you just put it on your eyes.
What? It's not allowed. You just need to wear this for a short time.
Because it might sting later.
Yes. Oh my God. So, that's all for this video, guys. Isa lang talaga masasabi ko, hindi siya madali. So, salute ako sa mga marunong maglagay ng mga contact lens. Believe na talaga ako sa inyo, guys. Kayo na ang pinagpala. So, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. And, no, drink! And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, keep the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my next video. And that's all. Bye, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye.
Annyeong.
Yeah.